Introducing Smart Terminal by Payflex, our easy-to-use, easy-to-operate payment terminal device. Here at my employee login screen, in order to access, all I need to do is put in my 4-digit PIN. And now you can see I'm at my pay screen. From here, I can ring in however much the cost of the product or service is. So for example, today this is going to be $25. You can also see that the cash price and card price are not quite the same. That's because this account is currently set up with something called dual pricing. In that instance, my cash price is $25, and yet my card price here is $26. Now from here, I can tap the card button to complete this as a card transaction. I can enter this in manually, or I can swipe, insert, or tap. Next, if I need to apply tax, here you can see there's 2 tax options. I can have additional tax options if I need it. Otherwise, I'll hit continue. And then we can also see here that the system is set up with tip options, 15, 20, and 25. Now these can be customized as well, or I can put in a custom amount. Now my total bill today is going to be $28.08. Now I insert my card. Now that's what a card transaction looks like. Now let's go ahead and do a cash transaction. Here we're going to say our bill again is $25, and I'm going to tap cash. Once again, I can apply my tax or hit continue. Now, because someone's handed me $26 in cash, I need to tell the system just how much cash I'm being handed. Let's say it's going to be $40. And then hit done. Change amount is $14. Now I can either email this receipt, text the receipt, or print both copies. Otherwise, I can say no thanks. Now that's the basic transaction process. Let's take a look at some of the other functionalities. For example, if I want to print the receipt of my last check or a specific check, I can do that here. Also, I can access my sidebar here. From here, I can review any of my closed transactions, or I can do a generic refund if I need to. I can also take a look at my batch information. So right now, if I had a batch, I could go ahead and close that if it wasn't already set up for automatic batching. I can also access a series of reports. So for example, what kind of sales did this specific employee do? Or what kind of sales did I do in general throughout the day? Next, I can also go into my employee section, and from here I can add employees, edit employees, or add roles in order to customize their permissions. And then lastly, I have access to my settings, where I can make changes to my account if I need to, like my tax information. And that is the breakdown of Payflex Smart Terminal.